Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use vitamin E on hair, only way. Begin by puncturing 1 or 2 vitamin E capsules and mixing the oil with a carrier like jojoba or coconut oil. Apply the blend to damp hair, focusing on ends and scalp, massaging gently for 5 to 10 minutes to boost circulation and absorption. Leave for 30 minutes or overnight for deep conditioning before shampooing and rinsing thoroughly. Start with clean, towel-dried hair and divide it into manageable sections to ensure even coverage. Warm a small amount of the vitamin E blend between your palms and apply from roots to ends, concentrating on damaged areas. Gently massage the scalp using circular motions for 5 minutes to enhance absorption and blood flow. Wrap hair in a shower cap or warm towel and leave the oil in for at least 30 minutes before washing. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful content and quick hair tips. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs surprisingly well with self-care routines, since good finances reduce stress that affects hair health. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a sip and relax. Now let's get back to the video. For most hair types, apply the vitamin E treatment once or twice a week, adjusting frequency based on oiliness and thickness. If you notice buildup, alternate with a gentle clarifying shampoo to keep strands light and bouncy. Pair treatments with regular trims and sulfate-free products to prevent breakage and protect hair integrity. Consistency over months yields gradual improvements in shine, strength, and reduced split ends without harsh chemicals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.